Ryan Knights here with Memories of Altitude. I'm making a quick video because there's an app out. It's been out for about 6 months from what I've been told by the developers. It's called Drone Nation, as you see on this shirt. This app is a community drone-based app. I mean, it's like Facebook for drone enthusiasts. You get on there, you create an account. You can find people that live near you that fly drones. If you're new to the drone scene, don't know anything about it and want to learn, they have options where you can ask people to help you. You can be a teacher. I mean, you can sign up to be, they'll have 3 options when you send out friend requests. You got co-pilot, which is like just a regular friend request. Then you got teacher, which is you trying to teach somebody, or student, which is you trying to learn. But it's all over. I mean, the people on this app are awesome. I mean, the community is great. I haven't had no complaints. I mean, like, I want to get into freestyle FPV. I've wanted to do it. I've always been kind of scared to do it, but I do want to get into it. So I asked, what's a good drone for me to begin with? A few people get on there and mention their recommendations. Nobody gets on there and says, oh, well, that's garbage, or this one's better than that, or anything like that. Everybody respects everybody's opinion. Everybody's very friendly. If you're willing to learn, these people are willing to teach. There's a few guys on there that run YouTube channels as well as like me, and do giveaways. They'll let you know. You'll get a heads up. Hey, I'm fixing to do a giveaway. Then you can jump to their YouTube page and get signed up for it or whatnot. So this app is for iOS, Android, or Google Play. They do have a web page, which isn't like the app is. The app is more like a social media site. You got a timeline. You'll have people post and stuff. But the web page isn't so much like that. It's for, like, if you got something on your computer, instead of trying to transfer it to your phone or your tablet or whatnot, you can download stuff from your computer directly to the site. Now, you won't have a timeline, but you can at least get it downloaded to where everybody can see it. Also, they have what's called props. It's like a point system. The more active you are in the community, like making posts, liking people's comments or posts, making comments, pretty much the more you put in, the more props you earn. They do have on the web page, you go to, there's a section at the top and it'll say trade. You click on it and it'll show some items like this shirt, hat, stickers, stuff like that. And they're incorporating this into the app to where you can take those props that you've earned and use them towards gear or or swag, whatever you want to call it, which is cool. Now, it hasn't been implemented yet, but they are working on it, which is, I can't wait. So it's definitely something I would look into. I do highly recommend, if you're into drones, I don't care how new you are to the scene, you are welcome. I don't care how advanced you are welcome. The only thing that we don't want is a bunch of drama, which is, I'm sorry, that's just a given. It's not that, that's not what we're about. We're a group of people that have the same enthusiasm for drones. We all love the hobby, and that's what brings us together. So if you feel like this is you or something that you would want to be a part of, please check them out. I'll provide all the links down in the description. Whether you have an Apple or Android, they even have a Facebook page. Now, I'm not 100%, but I don't think the point system works with the Facebook page. I think it's only through the apps, through Android and iOS. But they do have the Facebook page, which people get on there just as much. So definitely give them a check and try it out. This has been Ryan Knights, and we'll see you later.